Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about noun gender. Children, I have divided this lesson into two modules. In the first module, I will explain noun gender with some rules and examples. And in the second module, I will discuss some exercises to make the concept more clear, as I believe that the best and fastest way to learn something is only through practice. So let's begin with the lesson. We have learnt that nouns can be divided into four genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. All living beings mostly belong to either male or female gender. A noun, word that tells us about a male living being, human or animal, is said to be of masculine gender. And a noun that tells us about a female living being, human or animal, belongs to the feminine gender. Now look at these words. Lion, masculine. Lioness, feminine. Man, woman. Boy, girl. Horse, mare. Hero, heroine. Husband, wife. A noun that can be used for both male and female is known as common gender. For example, friend, parent, officer, servant, thief, student, child, etc. A friend can be a male or female. A parent can be mother or father. An officer can be a man or woman. Same is true for thief, a student, and a child. In English, non-living objects and things do not belong to a particular gender, male or female. They are neither masculine nor feminine. They belong to neuter gender. Things like chair, table, book, fan, door, or window come under the neuter gender. Masculine gender can be changed into feminine gender in different ways by using a completely different word like boy, girl, man, woman, dog, bitch, father, mother, gentleman, lady. By adding ESS like author, authoress, heir, heiress, poet, poetess, count, countess, lion, lioness, host, hostess. In some masculine nouns, ESS is added after dropping the last vowel of the word, like actor, actress. O has been dropped and ESS has been added. Hunter, huntress. E between TER has been removed and ESS has been added. Negro, negress. Last vowel O has been dropped and ESS has been added. Prince, princess. Last vowel E has been replaced by ESS. Sometimes by placing a word before or after, like grandfather, grandmother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen. Now here are some exercises for practice. Write down the appropriate feminine gender words for the masculine nouns given below. Brother, gander, instructor, heir, host, lion, cock sparrow, duke, steward, washerman. Now let's look at the answers. Brother, sister, gander, goose, instructor, instructress, heir, heiress, host, hostess, lion, lioness, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, duke, duchess,
steward, stewardess,
washerman, washerwoman. I hope, children, there is no more confusion in this topic, that is noun gender. You just need to practice a lot. Meet you in my next video. Thank you.